Welcome back everyone, Christine here from Unique Sapphire. So glad to see your smiling faces. So last week you saw that I dye potted a seafoam Tiffany blue green. And today we're going to show you the many different variants of ways that you can put dye on and utilizing complementary colors, making something else. So let's go get right to it. So as you can see, I didn't really want to go too much talking, just showing you utilizing spray bottles that you can get at the craft store, utilizing a fan brush, just lightly tapping the dye onto the skeins, and you can create some pretty cool looking effects on them. Yes, they're still wet, I can actually touch them, but with this method of dyeing, it is very uncontrolled. Very uncontrolled. Can you see my hands? That's how uncontrolled it is. That is just from me unwrapping them after they were steam set in, and the excess dye just clung to my hands. And of course, make sure you cover your work surfaces, because if not, you're scouring it off. And if you use acid dyes, the best way that I know how to get the dyes off of any surface is using glass cleaner. I don't know why, but it works. So if you have any questions, I'm keeping this one short and simple this week because there's not too much more to go into with dyeing. There's multitudes of different processes. Everybody dyes differently. There's no right way or wrong way to do it. It's just knowing your colors, knowing what your outcome's going to be like, and having a vision to be creative. And even if you make happy little muck, you can always dye over it if you want. So we're gonna get these dried and then hopefully they'll be up on the Etsy page soon. As well as the others are finally up there, so please go check it out. As always, leave some comments to what you want to see or how my content is making you creative and getting you inspired to create more this year. Because as always, 2020, a lot of people put everything on hold. So let's get creative in 2021. All right? As always, please like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified for when I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Guess what? I just realized I made a skein that sort of matches my pants. How cool is that?